Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, delays in Tapas programs per emergency procurement. India's quest for medium altitude, long endurance unmanned aerial vehicles has taken a temporary detour with the emergency procurement of Israeli Hermes 900 and IAI Heron Mk2 drones. This decision, as sources tell, stems from delays in the indigenous Tapas program and its possible super sending by the next generation Archer NG program. Next, inducted third Netra AEW&CS in 2023. In a significant stride towards bolstering its airborne surveillance capability, the Indian Air Force marked a milestone in 2023 with the induction of the third Netra AEW&CS Mk1, originally utilized as a test bed for the program by DRDO. The third Netra itself boasted additional features showcasing the commitment to continue improvement in India's indigenous airborne early warning and control system. Next, DRDO to develop anti-decoy for Kalvari class submarine. India's quest for self-reliance in defense received a major boost with the DRDO High Energy Material Research Laboratories taking up the crucial task of developing an anti-sonar decoy for the Indian Navy's Kalvari class submarines. This strategic move, announced during the recent Swavlamban 2023 Naval Innovation and Indigenization International Seminar, undergoes the government commitment to empowering domestic and defense capabilities. Next, Indian Army Major develops artificial intelligence-powered landmine system. A revolutionary new landmine system developed by Major Raj Prasad of the Indian Army promises to safeguard both soldiers and civilians by combining artificial intelligence with human control. This innovative technology marks a significant advancement in battlefield safety and could potentially pave the way for a safer future for all. Next, upgraded tents for troops on LAC, standing guard against the biting winds and bone-chilling temperature of the Himalayas. Indian soldiers deployed along the line of actual control face a relentless enemy, the harsh terrain. To bolster their comfort and safety in these extreme conditions, the Indian Army is gearing up for a significant upgrade, replacing the existing tents with new insulated pup tents designed to accommodate up to 4 soldiers each. Next, ISRO delegation visits ESA mission control. Distinguished visitors from the Indian Space Research Organization were welcomed by ESA's ESOC Mission Control Center in Darmstadt, Germany, in December 2023 to celebrate ESA's support to ISRO's Aditya L1 and Chandrayaan-3 mission and to discuss expanding the scope of the organization's cooperation. Next, Army officer-soldier develop hybrid anti-drone system. To cope with the swarm drone attack, an Indian Army officer and a Jawan have developed an integrated anti-drone system that includes an indigenous jammer integrated with an upgraded Russian-origin Shilka weapon system. Army Air Defense Officer Major Nagaraj SY and his fellow soldier Muhammad Firoz Khan have developed this system for the Army. Next, ISRO Payload aces capture light from Supernova Event. ISRO on Thursday said a payload on its recently launched mission has captured its first light from a standard celestial body source for instrument evaluation. The Expect XSPECT payload on Exposat, India's first X-ray polarimetric mission launched on January 1st, has captured its first light from the Cassiopeia A. CAS-A is called in a short form, Supernova Remnant, the Bengaluru headquarters space agency said in a statement. Next, India's plan for Agni-VI development, Pakistani think tank says, West to note. The recent claim by Tanzila Khalili, a researcher fellow at Islamabad Policy Research Institute regarding India's development of Agni-VI with a potential range of 10,000 to 12,000 km has sparked discussion on the strategic motivations behind such a move. Khalili argues that the development of Agni-VI is challenging to justify solely in terms of enhancing deterrence against China and Pakistan. Instead, she posed that India's endeavors might be driven by a desire to elevate its global status or to position itself in potential deterrent relationships beyond its immediate neighbors. Next, DRDO's Navachakshu EV system takes flight. DRDO has unveiled its highly anticipated Navachakshu electronic warfare system, marking a significant leap forward in India's indigenous defense technology. This cutting-edge system promises to bolster the electronic warfare capabilities of two key frontline fighter aircraft, the light combat aircraft Tejas Mk-1A and Sukhoi Su-30 Mki. Thank you.